Another nice day here in Florida. 47 degrees. Let's see what we can get done today on that security Humvee build. See you when we get there. Ready for work?
Oh yeah.
Going through, taking all this old padding out. These metal bars hold the padding down. Moon dust.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, we went ahead and started stripping down this body.
Oh yeah, it's all stripped.
Got it pretty much down to where we're about to start sanding it and spraying the first base coat of black. We got all the tail lights, side markers out, headlights are out, all the old door straps, mirrors, carpet. This will be cleaned, of course, before we paint and scuff. But it is pretty stripped down. Everything else is going to be covered when we go to paint. If this body chassis was rusty, we would be taking the actual body off, but it's not necessary on this build.
Yeah, it's pretty good down underneath there. There's a nice protective coating, and there's pretty much no rust on anything underneath the truck, so that's good. So right here is the B pillar. This is from Black Dog Customs. We have the C pillar right here too. They were left outside for a while, so the gonna have to repaint them and touch them up. But yeah, these are really nicely made, very strong, and this all goes with the Black Dog Customs 4-door top kit, which you'll be seeing us put on.
Yeah, so these pieces are actually made out of steel too, because the top and doors on these that you buy aftermarket are fiberglass. So these give you, structural support in case of possibly any rollovers, or they're just more up to stronger standard.
Yeah.
Pulled the top over here to kind of get an idea of where this C pillar is going to be placed. Got some cold galvanized paint on there
For superior corrosion resistance.
You heard it here first. Just got the top kind of dry fitted on there.
We just got the top on top.
He ain't lying. These tops are from Black Dog Customs. They're full fiberglass. They have some fiberglass reinforcement in here as well. I wouldn't stand on these, but they're weather resistant, and they do a pretty good job with lining up with the West Kentucky surplus hard doors that we're going to be putting on these as well.
Yep.
So like I said, this is just a dry fit. They do get gaskets in the seams, and you actually do get seam sealer as well. And there's actually going to be another piece that covers the back
Rear
here.
curtain.
So rear curtain.
Yep. And the cool thing about a fiberglass top versus a metal top is there'll be a little bit less heat transfer. So the top won't be as hot as a metal top, and also a little bit less vibrations too. So should be a little bit quieter than if it was just a sheet metal top, especially if there's no sound deadening or anything in there installed. So all right.
All right, so we got the top and the rear curtain all dry fitted. We wanted to do this first so that way we can figure out where to drill the holes for these fiberglass pieces. Also, we needed to make sure that everything was measured correctly, so when we put the hard doors on, the seals can line up to the seal areas. It'll help with water leakage and air noise. So there's a little bit more mounting to do, but this is just one step into the next direction to getting this thing all sanded down and painted.
The next few days we're hoping to get the doors fitted, and there's panels that go across here that kind of tie the C pillar to the A pillar, just strengthen the whole top system. But that should be going on the next few days, and then we'll take it all back off and get it all painted.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you like what you're watching, you can go back in our most recent video with part 1 of this series. This is going to be our security Humvee build, and we're going to be posting a lot more about this. Other than that, I'm going to link Dakota's video in the description below. You can go check out what he posts on there. He does more in-depth on maintenance, and talks a lot about other military vehicles, and is more detail-oriented on that channel. Other than that, thank you again. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.